Okay, this is Mitchell from MSA Steel Guitars. Today we're doing this video on how to tune the split on the 6th string. That is when you lower the 6th string a whole tone and then hit your B pedal to raise another half tone and have a tunable G note. So the easiest way to remember this is you always tune the lowest note last. So let's get started. So we've got the 6th string tuned as normal with the B pedal raising a half tone. So now we're going to engage the whole tone lower on the 6th string. Okay, so that is the intermediate note. So you're tuning the G note. So we're going to use the regular nylon tuner on the lower that you would normally tune the F sharp note with, the whole tone lower, but now we're tuning to the G note since we have the B pedal engaged. So that's a little flat. So we're going to run the lower screw out. Okay, that's a good G note. Okay, that's with both engaged. So you tune the middle note first, and then you tune the lowest note last, which is the G to F sharp chain. Okay, for that we're going to use a 3/32 hex. And it goes in the split screw, which is between the nylon tuners and the changer. So we're going to turn that clockwise to run in the split screw and stop that lower, bring that lower back up. We do not use the nylon tuner to tune the last or lowest note. There we go. Now, they're both in tune. That's it.